video, back with a video for you guys. I hope you're doing fine. If you're new, welcome to the farm. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you like this look. Y'all already know by the title what this look is about. So period, I'm going to be giving. As you can see, I have on I tie down my hair. I slick it down with gel, guys, like a lot of gel, because my hair kind of thick, right? So I tied it down with this. Yeah, I want to install my wig for you guys. As you know, the reason why I'm doing this is because my birthday is coming up. My birthday will be this Sunday coming. So definitely leave a happy birthday down below for me. You already know. So for this whole week, I want to be slaying. So I'm going to install this wig for you guys. I hope you got some tips and tricks on how to apply your wig. Please know that I don't have a wig cap because they wasn't selling any in Pennywise. So my almighty bond glue. It comes out white, but it's actually clear when it dries, right? So I'm going to put 2 coats of that. So once I put it on my head, I actually make sure that it's flat, right? It's not thick or bumpy or anything like that. So I'm going to leave it to dry, and once it's dry, I'm going to apply a next coat at the top. So as you can see, it's not all the way dried, but it's close enough, right, guys? So I'm going back in with that almighty bond glue on the top of my first layer, right? I'm going to make sure that it's smooth and it's not bumpy or anything like that, right, guys? So yeah, I'm going in with a little bit more just to make sure that it's, you know, evenly layered, right? So once it's dried, I'm going to put on my wig, guys. I'm just combing it out, making sure everything is not nutty and it's smooth and ready to apply to my hair, right? So I'm just going to adjust the strap. As you can see, it has a clip-on additional to the band, the elastic band, right? So I thought that was really good. So yeah, I'm just going to adjust it, put it on my head. I actually made a mistake, guys. Just be very careful when you're putting it on because the glue is super strong. It's thick once, you know, it touches the hair. So I'm just putting that on the line of the clear glue. Nice. So I'm just making sure that it's secure. So now I'm just going to take out any excess glue that I'm seeing there that hasn't been dried, and that is obvious, right? So that glue was really sticky. Be very careful with the glue because it's really you know, sensitive to touch. So once your finger touches it, it's really sticky, right? So be careful. So now I'm just going to make sure that my hair is fully secured at the back. Make sure I'm clipping all my extra clips that it has, that is there for you to support the hair, right? So I'm just making sure that everything is flat to the front. I'm just filling it in with any excess glue that is needed to the sides, my side bins, right? So I'm brushing everything back and get it prepared for the baby hairs. So I'm putting it in a one, and I'm just going to pull out all the baby hairs that was provided for me and plucked already. So I didn't have to do any plucking or anything like that, right? So I thought that was a great thing when installing, you know, your hair. It's easy and effective to just, you know, tie down that baby hair and get it set to, you know, style. So there's no big set of, you know, plucking to do. Well, actually in this case I didn't even have any plucking to do because I was satisfied with the amount of baby hairs that I got from this wig, right? So as you can see, everything has flattened and has been blended well. You're still seeing a bit of white, but I will fix that in a minute, right guys? So yeah, actually I took like about 5 minutes tying it down. So yeah, I'm just going to find the correct part that I desire for this look. So I was really trying to get the right part. As you can see, you're actually seeing the part which I find was really good, right? So that's a thumbs up. So yeah guys, I was really satisfied with the part. So I'm just going to comb it through. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm loving this look. Up to this day, I'm still obsessed with it. And yeah, I really hope that you guys try out this this type of wig. Like I said, I left all the information down below for you to get this wig, right? It's very affordable. I paid $550, I think. I'm not sure. I will leave the price down below as well for you to get this wig. I purchased it on Instagram, and the person Instagram name will be there as well, right? So I'm just blending that in with my Revlon powder. I will leave that information down in my bio as well for you to get it. It's a translucent powder, right? So it blends really well. So yeah, I'm going in with my Gorilla Glue. I'm going to use that Gorilla Glue to style my baby hairs, right guys? Well, my fake baby hairs, that is. I was having a really bit of problems to style it, reason being that the baby hairs was a bit long. I really didn't want it to cut it because the look that I'm going for my birthday requires, you know, long baby hair, right? So I was really struggling with that. So I did it off camera. If you guys really want me to do that baby hair tutorial, definitely comment down below and I will do that again for you guys, okay? Yeah. Yeah guys, I was getting so annoying. It's not funny, right? So yeah, so I'm going in and putting in a bit of pro concealer in my part. Guys, I'm a bit extra, right? So I love to, you know, make everything look clean and highlighted. So I just went in with that concealer to make my pad look a bit extra, right? And yeah guys, this is the final look. Like I said, if you want to see that baby hair tutorial, definitely all you have to do is comment down below on my video, and I will see that comments and I will make that video the next day, right? So yeah, tell me if you like this look. Guys, I really wanted to go for a different look for my birthday. I wanted to go for a blonde, you know, type look. So this was definitely it. Like I said, I really wanted to cut the wig, but comment down below, let me know if I should cut it a bit shorter. Yes, those baby hairs are given, sis. So yeah, I really hope you like this video. This didn't really take me long. It's only because I had to tape it for you guys. It took a while, but it was really simple to do. As you can see, I didn't have to use a wig cap for this wig because it came with a wig cap installed in it already. So that was a plus. And yeah, this wig is really silky. I didn't have no shedding or anything like that. So like I said, you can definitely purchase this wig. All the information will be down below. And as you can see, it's really long, right? So I'm obsessed with this wig. I was studying if to cut it, but I'm still iffy, right? So thank you for watching, guys, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me go back. It's really long, guys. I was studying if to cut it. Comment down below if you think I should cut it. But yeah guys, this is the final look. This is baby hairs. If y'all want to see me do a tutorial on this baby hair, it was a bit challenging at first, but guys, I'm so obsessed with the wet look. Oh my gosh. So definitely give me a like down below. I wanted it a bit more flatter, but I love it, guys. So definitely like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, if you want to see more of these looks, these installation looks, definitely comment down below and like this video, so I would know you guys want to see more, right? So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time, and that would be my birthday makeup. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. Y'all know I'm a Gemini, period. If you're a Gemini, definitely comment down below. Y'all already know, right? And I will see you. Bye.